The perimeter of a triangle is 22 meters. What is the measure of each side? So you have here the side 2x plus 1, 2x, and 3x. So since we're dealing with perimeter, you have to add all sides of a triangle. So perimeter equals A plus B plus C. Since perimeter is 22, so you have here P equals 22. Then the sides, the measures of A, B, and C. So you have here A, 2x plus 1. So you have here 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3x. Okay. So you have now 22 equals combine similar terms, so you have here 2x, 2x, and 3x. So 7x plus 1. Okay. So solve for x. So you have here 22 plus negative 1. Then here 7x plus negative 1. So you have here 0. So 7x. Then you have here 21. So this will be 0. So you have here 21 equals 7x. So divide by 7. So the value of x will be 3. Okay. So next step is we substitute 3 to all sides of the triangle. So let's have AB equals 2x. So you have here 2 times 3. So you have here 6. AB is 6. Then next is AC. 3x. 3 times 3. You have here 9. So AC is 9. Then you have here 2x plus 1. BC equals 2x plus 1. 2 times 3 plus 1. So 6 plus 1. BC is 7. Okay. So these are the measures. Don't forget the cm, and cm. So take note in the problem, you have here 22 meters. 22 meters, sorry. So this must be meters, and meters. So we need to add to make it 22. So 6 meters, 9 meters, 7 meters. So 15 plus 7, 22 meters. So the sides are 6 meters, 9 meters, 7 meters rather, 7 meters, and 9 meters. These are the sides of triangle.